Now the next topic is the rank of the matrix. The rank is the matrix is the order of the matrix. If the order of the matrix, if the determinant of the matrix is non-zero, if the determinant of the matrix is non-zero, then the order of matrix is also known as the rank of the matrix. It is clear, everyone? If the determinant of the matrix is non-zero of the highest order, then the order is also known as the rank of the matrix. If the determinant of the highest order is 0, then we calculate the lower order determinant one by one, and we find if one of the smaller order determinant is non-zero, then the rank is the same order. It is clear, everyone? Hence, the order of the matrix is said to be the rank if all the minor of the order higher than R is 0. At least one minor of the order R is not equal to 0. It is the rank of the matrix. It is denoted by PA or RA. Suppose the example is given: A is the matrix of 3 by 3 order. Then we find the determinant value. If the determinant value is non-zero, then the rank of the matrix is 3. If the determinant value is 0, then we calculate 2 by 2 order determinant value. Now the determinant value of the 3 by 3 order matrix is 0. Then the rank of matrix is not 2, less than 2. Now we calculate the 2 by 2 order determinant value. And the 2 by 2 order determinant value, we take 2, 4, 3, 2 sub matrix in any matrix of the given matrix. 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2. Then the value of determinant is non-zero. Then the order of the matrix is 2. Then the rank is 2. It is clear, everyone? It is also, again repeat, if the rank of the matrix is the order of the highest non-determinant value is the order is the rank of the matrix. Clear? Now some practice question come in the word file. Now find the rank of the matrix. This is the order of the matrix is 2 by 3, 2 row 3 column. First we find the determinant value. If the determinant, first we take the 2 by 2 order determinant. So determinant of A now the determinant A is equal to, now we first determinant of 2 by 2 order 1, 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 2, 4. One, two, 2, 4. Now simplify the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. So 1 into 4 is the first diagonal element. 1 and 4 the multiplication is 1 into 4, and that take the minus sign. And the second diagonal element 2 into 2. Simplify. Then 4 1 ja 4 minus 4 2 2 ja 4. Then the value equal to 0. Then the determinant equal to 0. It is the, this is the determinant 0. Then find the again second determinant of the given matrix. Determinant A is equal to, now we take in second determinant of the given matrix. First we take first two row, now we take first two column, now we take first column and third column, first column and third column, then 2 replaced by 3 and 4 replaced by 6. Calculate each determinant of the given matrix or 2 by 2 order. If one of them determinant is non-zero, then the rank of the matrix is 2. It is clear, everyone? Now the solution of the determinant 2 by 2 order is the difference of the cross multiplication of the element, and the first diagonal element is 1 and 6, then the multiplication 1 multiplied by 6, then take the minus sign, and the second diagonal element 2, 3, then the multiplication 2 multiplied by 3. The value is 6 minus 6, 2 3 is 6, the value is equal to 0. This is also non-zero, this is also 0. Now we find the last determinant of the second order. Now we take second column and third column. First we take first two column, after then we take first and last column. Now we take second column and third column. Second column value, first value is 2, 3, 4, 6. Now simplify. 2 into 6 minus 3 into 4 equal to 6 2 is 12 minus 3 4 is 12 is equal to 0. All the second order determinant value is 0. All second 2 by 2 order determinant value is 0. Then rank of matrix is P A less than equal to 0. Less than equal to 0. That is rank of matrix A in the rank of matrix P A in the rank A is the capital P A is equal to 1. It is clear? So first we find the determinant value of 2 by 2 order, all the determinant. First we find take the first two row, then the value determinant 0. Now we calculate if the value is non-zero, then the rank of the matrix is 2, but the value is 0. Now we calculate second determinant value of 2 by 2 order. The second determinant value of 2 by 2 order, we take first and third column, then the value is also 0. Now we last determinant value calculated, we take second and third column value. This is then the value is also 0. Now the rank of the matrix is rank of the matrix is less than 2. Now the rank of the matrix is less than 2. That is the value of the rank of the matrix is 1. It is clear? 1 is the rank of those type of matrix. If the second order determinant value is 0, then this type of matrix rank is always 1. It is clear? The rank of matrix is never equal to 0. Never equal to 0. The rank of the matrix is never equal to 0. The rank, if the second order determinant value is 0, then rank of the matrix is 1. It is clear? Now this type of question is complete. Now we come in the second question of the practice exercise. Now the solve the first we find the determinant value of 3 by 3 orders. The rank of determinant, if rank of determinant of A is rank of matrix A is now we first find the value of the determinant of 3 by 3 order is equal to now we calculate the value of determinant of 3 by 3 order. The value of determinant matrix is given here, note down here. Now the value is expand the determinant according to the first row. Then we find the value of determinant 2. Now the 2 by 2 order determinant, 2 by 2 order determinant value the first element of the first row is 2, then the corresponding element we cancel out the first row first column element, then the remaining element 1 2 2 3 is the 2 by 2 order determinant value 1 2 2 3. This clear? The first cofactor corresponding to the first element is by deleting by the first row and first column, then the remaining element is the element of the 2 by 2 order determinant, that is 1 2 2 3. Then we take the minus sign and the first row second element is 1 and the value of determinant now the first row second element first row second column element cancel out, and the remaining element 3 2 1 3. Now Now the last element is plus 3. Now first row, third column element cancel out. The remaining element 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2. Expand the determinant according to the first row. Now solve in the second step. Is equal to 2 in the bracket. The determinant of the solution of the second order determinant is the difference of the cross multiplication element, and the 1 is multiplied by 3, then the value is 3 minus the difference is 2 to the 4. Now we take the minus sign and the bracket start. 3 3 is 9, the difference of the cross multiplication element 3 3 is 9 minus 2 1 is 2, bracket close. Now the last cofactor multiply by the 3 plus 3, bracket start. The difference of the cross multiplication element, the first diagonal element 3 2, the multiplication 3 2 is 6 minus 1 1 is 1, bracket close. In the next step, is equal to 2 into minus 1, then answer is minus 2. 9 into 9 minus 2 7 minus 7, and 5 6 minus 1 5 5 3 is 15 plus 15. Then the value control, then the value is the minus 9 plus 15 plus 6, which is non-zero value. Non-zero value, hence the rank of matrix P equal to order of matrix if the determinant is non-zero, then the rank of the matrix P equal to order of matrix. Now the rank of matrix equal to 3. Answer. It is clear the rank of matrix is equal to order of matrix if the highest order determinant is non-zero. If the determinant is 0, in the previous one question you calculate the highest order matrix is 2 by 2 and calculate 1 by 1 each determinant of second order, all of them is 0, then the rank of matrix is less than second order, that is 1. It is clear? The rank of matrix is 3 if the order equal to the order of matrix and the determinant is non-zero. Now we calculate in the next problem. Rank of the matrix. First we calculate the determinant of the matrix. determinant of matrix equal to now note down the element of the matrix and write down here and calculate by expanding to the first row. The first element of first row is 1 and the corresponding cofactor is C11. C11. Then we take minus sign. The second element is 2 and the corresponding cofactor is C12. And the taking the sign plus, and the last value of the first row is 3 and the corresponding value cofactor is C13. Now simplify in the next step. Determinant equal to 1 multiply by C11 C11 means first row first column element, cancel out the remaining element 4 5 5 6 4 5 5 6 minus 2 the corresponding element by deleting the first row second column element, first row second column element, and the element is 3 5 4 5 3 5 4 6 3 5 4 6. The last element is 3 and the cofactor is C13. Obtain element by deleting the first row third column element. The element is remaining element is 3 4 4 5 3 4 4 5. Now simplify the matrix by the multiplication, 2 by 2 determinant by the multiplication. Now the 2 by 2 order determinant value is the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. The first diagonal element is 4 6, then the multiplication 4 6 the 24 minus 5 5 the 25, write down 25. Now we come in the second determinant cofactor C12. The value of the cofactor is the solution of the difference of the cross multiplication of the element 3 6 the 18 minus 4 5 the 20. Now we come in the last cofactor C13. The value is obtained by the difference of the cross multiplication of the element 3 5 the 15 minus 4 4 the 16. The value is obtained by simplify the equation. 24 minus 25, answer is minus 1. 18 minus 20, the result is minus 2, and minus 2 multiply minus 2, the result is 4 plus 4. Then the last cofactor value is 15 minus 16 minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 3. The value of determinant is 0. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Now the rank of matrix, rank of matrix P A is less than less than 0, less than 3. Now we calculate the determinant of the 2 by 2 order. Now we calculate the determinant of 2 by 2 order. 3 by 3 order determinant value is 0. Now we calculate the 2 by 2 order determinant. So first 2 by 2 order determinant is C11, C 11 equal to C11 is equal to 4, and the difference of the cross multiplication of the element 4 into 6, 24 minus 5, 5 to 25. The value of determinant is minus 1, which is equal to non-zero. Hence the rank of the matrix is 2, because the order of the second highest order is the matrix is 2, then the rank of matrix is 2. Rank of matrix equal to order of matrix that is rank of matrix is equal to 2, because second order determinant is non-zero, because second 2 by 2 order determinant is non-zero. Clear? Rank of matrix is 2 because the 2 by 2 order determinant is non-zero. Three type of questions of rank of matrix in here. First one is the 3 by 2 order, and the each element 2 by 2 order is 0. The rank of matrix is 1. In the second one question is the 3 by 3 order. Solve the equation. Then the highest order determinant value is 0, is non-zero. Then the rank of matrix is 3. Now we calculate the third type of question of the rank. The highest order is 3 by 3. Then solve the value of, find the value of determinant is 0. Now we calculate the 2 by 2 order determinant value. The first 2 by 2 order determinant is C11. The value is -1 is non-zero. Then the rank of matrix is 2. It is clear? Now the fourth type of problem of rank of matrix. Now first we find the determinant value of this one matrix of highest order equal to the value of determinant of 3 by 3 order. Note down here, and the element is given here. Write down here. Simplify by the according to the first, expand to the first row, then 3, the first element is 3, take in the 3, C11 corresponding element is C11, the second one element is -1, then minus plus 1 plus 1, the corresponding element C12, and the last one element is -2, and the corresponding element is C13. Now simplify the value of, find the value of cofactor C11, C12, C13 in the next step.